Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to turn off, shut down, or power off your iPad, whether you have an older one or a new one. Things have slightly changed, and in this video, we're going to show you guys multiple ways to do it with the button and the actual software itself. But before we dive into today's video, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaways, so make sure that like and subscribe button. So let's talk about shutting off an iPad. Generally, if you have an older iPad, it's going to be really straightforward. The first thing you want to do is locate the power button. The power button usually is on the top or it might be on the side. It's going to be a lone button here. As you can see, this is the iPad Mini 5. So we're going to just simply hold it down here. Keep on holding it for a good 5 seconds or so, and you'll see this slide to power off. You're simply going to slide that over, and that's going to power off the device. And then to turn it back on, you're just going to simply hold that top button again till you see the Apple logo. So that's how you're going to do it on a older iPad. So that's method one. Method two is through the actual software. So if your button wasn't working for some reason, you're going to want to go into settings. And once you're in settings, this time you want to go to general. As you can see here is general. And then in the general section, you'll notice here we're going to have a shutdown option. We're going to want to click on shutdown. Same thing. It's going to say slide to power off. We're going to simply slide it and power off completely till it shuts down. Give it about 30 seconds to a minute, and hopefully you can turn it back on. Same thing. This time you'll have to do it with the button. Again, if the button doesn't work, what you can do is simply take a charger and connect it to the outlet. It will auto turn on. If an iPad is dead or shut down for some reason, that will also kick off the start and it will restart the iPad for you. So that's an older generation of iPad, the Mini 5. What if you have a new one of the Pro or the newer lineup that has Touch ID enabled? So this is the Air 4 model that we have, and it doesn't quite work with the top button here. So you'll see there's a top button here on this one, and if we hold it here, it activates Siri on the bottom with iOS 14 here. So it doesn't quite shut it off. Well, there's a two button method. So what you're going to do is actually hold the volume up button and the top button at the same time. To show you guys in real time, you're going to want to hold these buttons at the same time. And then here, if we hold it together, top and the volume up at the same time, you're going to notice slide to power off appear just like we saw with the other device here. So that's how you're going to shut it off. And to turn it back on, you're going to just want to hold just that top button here to turn it on. You don't need to hold the volume up button. So that's method number one. Method number two is simply going to be going into settings. And once you go into settings, you're going to want to, again, locate general and then shut down here. You're going to want to click on that. Again, power, slide to power off. And same method here to turn it back on. You can just use simply the top button here. And again, if the top button for some reason was jammed or wasn't working, or you can't get it to press down, you can simply take the power, a charger that you have, put in an outlet, plug it in, and it will turn on your iPad. So those are the two methods between older generation of iPad and a newer generation of iPad. Hopefully this helps you guys power cycle your iPad and fix any issues that you guys have. Thanks for watching, guys, and if this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.